You speak good English. Please come. I am a Christian.
Okay.
Yeah. Where do you come from?
Kuwait.
Kuwait. Please come. Are you visiting the UK?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me ask you a simple question. Yeah. Muslims or the Quran does not allow even Christians to preach from the Bible in nations such as Kuwait.
Which Bible?
You understand that? Islam prevents Christians from spreading the gospel amongst the Muslims. You know this, yeah?
Which Bible?
No, I understand good.
You don't understand. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? If you are a Muslim, please step forward. You are a Muslim, please step forward.
Hey!
You, sir. You, please step forward. I've only seen you angry, but step forward. Don't be angry. Step forward. Muslims, who is the Muslim who can speak in English? Step forward, please. Any Muslim who can speak in English. Hello? Any Muslim who can speak in English. Hello, my dear friends. Are you Muslims? Any Muslim who can speak in English. Please come forward and help us understand. So, my dear friends, while we are waiting for a Muslim. Hello, sir. Are you Muslim, sir? You're not a Muslim? No, okay. Hello, sir. You are a Muslim. Hello. Backpack man. Hello. Hello, sir. Are you a Muslim, sir? Hey, please, come here. If you all have to Allah, please come. Now, Islam, please. Or Islam, are you living in the UK?
No.
Where are you visiting? Where are you from?
I live in Italy, but I'm from Kosovo.
From Kosovo. But you live in Italy.
Yeah.
Can I please suggest to you that Islam does not have a place in the entire Western world at all. Because in the Western world, we believe in reasoning.
I don't speak good English.
Speaking good English, that's good enough. Do you appreciate that in the UK and in Italy, you can spread Islam? You know this, yeah? You can spread Islam.
You want to say that why is Christianity not spreading in other countries like Saudi Arabia and stuff, right?
Particularly, my question is, Islam does not allow non-Muslims to challenge Islam to make Muslims leave Islam. You know this?
Yes.
And do you know what punishment is when exactly? So punishment for non-Muslims, if the non-Muslims make Muslims apostatize, is that, yeah?
My great-grandfather killed his daughter because she wanted to marry a Christian.
Sure. But stay focused.
Hey, please.
Hey. Please,
I know,
stay.
but-
Thank you. Now, so clearly, if a religion tells us, anyone, that Christians in our own nation even cannot spread Christianity.
But how is this a Christian country?
Say again.
How is this a Christian country when you have...
But listen to me
everywhere-
carefully. Okay,
Yes.
forget that's a minor detail. The major detail is this. In the UK, even in the UK,
Yes,
hello, please. Everyone stay focused. Please, everyone listen. Even, hey, excuse me, wow. Hey, take your loo break, please, quick. Thank you. Now, to you. Even in the UK, if a non-Muslim
Yes.
makes Muslims apostatize, what is
Yes.
the penalty?
Death according to Sharia law.
According to Sharia, even in the UK, it's death penalty for non-Muslims if they make Muslims apostatize. That means Islam doesn't belong here, does it?
And
Islam doesn't belong here.
what?
Well, you can't have a religion which threatens people away from reasoning people out of Islam.
This shouldn't happen, but it's happening. These are you
Yeah,
talking
so
about.
that's Islam. That's Islam.
Ah,
That's Islam.
Yes.
And you said you all ham to Allah.
yes.
This is a horrible Islam. This is irrational, horrible Islam.
Cosa per accinonen.
Listen to him carefully. Thank you. This is horrible Islam. You can't follow this irrational religion.
I'm not and what?
I'm not asking whether you kill or not, but Sharia says it's death penalty.
Well,
And that
I
is the
live
religion
it
you
with
follow.
Peace.
Say again.
I live it with peace. I personally.
But you said you are all ham to Allah, you said.
Yes.
Yeah, so you are a Muslim.
Yes.
As a Muslim, can you come up with your own legal system?
I don't know.
You can't. Your legal system is Sharia. what is there in the Quran and what is there if you're a Sunni Muslim from
Yes.
the Sunnah of the Prophet. yeah?
Yes.
So you can't pick and choose.
Yes.
I can show you where it says if you like.
No, I know.
Yeah, you know where it says. So the Quran is an irrational religion. It doesn't belong in our nation
I don't
or in
believe
Italy.
this.
Say again.
I don't believe this.
Exact. You don't belong. What? You didn't believe what?
I don't believe what you said.
You don't
I
believe?
I don't believe that Islam is for every country.
Listen to me carefully. You should not follow a religion which threatens even non-Muslims with death penalty. With death penalty, if you want to, if you make them apostatize. How can you follow that religion? How is that a sensible religion?
What do you want to do?
You need to leave Islam.
I don't, because I like this.
How can you like killing others?
This is not my business.
My dear friend, please listen. There is only one version of Islam. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. The Quran informs.
Yes.
In this regard, there is only one version. According to the Quran,
Yes.
it is death penalty.
No, according to Sunnah, not Quran.
No, according to the Quran. I'll show you from the Quran.
Show me.
Yeah, please.
And you will show him from the Bible as well.
Is that your agent?
Yeah.
Yeah. So please take one. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
show him
Take
from
one.
the Bible as
Please
well.
take one. Thank you.
You don't know.
Here come on.
But you know.
Please, thank you.
But you know.
Hey, boss.
You acting stupid. You acting stupid. But you know. What he's gonna show you. You
Please
know.
listen. Please listen.
You acting stupid.
Surah Al-Baqarah. Stay away from the camera. Please stay away.
I'm here.
I don't know. No, he does this deliberately.
He's not
Surah,
saying nothing.
Surah Al-Baqarah, Surah Al-Baqarah, Ayat 217. They ask you about the sacred month, about fighting therein. Say fighting therein is great, but averting people from the way of Allah, i.e. making people
Yes,
apostatize.
you may. Okay.
I'll finish.
Okay, I
Please, let's
understand.
finish. Fighting therein is great sin, but averting people from the way of Allah, i.e. Islam, and making them disbelief in Him and Al-Masjid, in this case Masjid Al-Haram, and the expulsion of its people therefrom are greater in the sight of Allah. Fitna is greater than killing. So this ayat says, if there is fitna, that is a terrible act. So if I cause fitna, if I as a non-Muslim cause fitna by making Muslims apostatize, this one says Muslims should fight and kill.
Yes.
So the Quran says this, not some other random literature. The Quran says this. And if you take the Quran seriously, you and I should already agree this is a horrible, irrational religion that doesn't dictate terms with Muslims alone, but even with non-Muslims. It's a horrible religion. Do you agree?
No.
What do you mean, no? Please explain this now. What don't
should
you
I
agree in this?
explain? You read it.
Yeah.
It's this. I can't say anything.
So you're happy if I get a death penalty, you're happy. Because I'm a Christian and I'm making
care.
people leave Islam.
I just don't care.
You don't care if people...
If my own father will leave Islam and he would get punished for that, it's not. I don't care.
You don't care?
Wallahi, I don't care.
This is horrible. You don't care? You don't care?
Why is that bad?
Oh, sorry, sir. If your father leaves Islam because of me, you don't care.
I don't. Why is that bad?
I know, sir, my dear friend. If your father leaves Islam because of me, you don't care.
Okay.
You don't care. No. But this fellow, some other Muslim fellow wants to kill me. Do you care about that?
It's not my be. I don't care.
So if someone else wants to kill me, you don't care?
I've seen people dying in front of my eyes.
But please listen, this is the poignant question. If I make your father leave Islam,
Yes.
and therefore some Muslim wants to kill me,
Yes.
do you care about this or not?
No.
And that you would be a criminal, you know this.
You want that.
In your sight,
He wants
if a
that.
crime happens, and if you don't take appropriate, reasonable action that you could take, if you don't take, you would be held accountable to the crime also. You know this, yeah? In the Western world, you will be. So you will be a criminal. By this fact, it's horrible. What's your name?
Adonis.
Adonis?
Yes.
I'm going to comment to you
Celebrating.
that if you do that, it's not just the ones who say that they will kill me who are criminals, but also you. And I'd like to comment to you, that is a horrible religion. You need to leave soon. I am a Christian. I am a Christian.
I've seen it.
And as a Christian, excuse me sir, please. As a Christian, the reason I'd like you to be a Christian is because Jesus Christ, unlike the Mickey Mouse Islamic Allah, the all ham to Allah, who forces you to give him all the ham in the world, he forces you to not care when I am killed. My precious Lord Jesus Christ values you. Even if you are a Muslim and if you're about to die because of some problem, if I can help, I should help. Have you heard of the story called Good Samaritan?
No. Ah, yes, yes,
It's in the Bible.
yes.
God, Jesus wants me to love even my enemies. So Muslims at Speaker's Corner, like I don't know if you're familiar with. Why? Sure. There are Muslims at Speaker's Corner, such as Muhammad Jihad. Muhammad Jihad, you know that? Muhammad Jihad,
Which one? Oh, okay.
the tall fellow,
Yeah,
the strip club Jihad, Muhammad Jihad, the part-time stripper, part-time stripper who goes around playing games, thinking that he's some maverick fellow. With a real Israeli fighter, he runs away like a chicken. He's a mafia gang. He is a mafia gang leader. Along with him, Alibaba. You know Alibaba?
Yes, I need.
These guys are planning to kill us. They're planning to kill us. According to Sharia, they're planning to kill us. And you are saying you won't care.
People like
Even such, one second.
Also me, so-
Remind me your name.
Adonis.
Adonis. Even though they want to kill me, if they are suffering, my precious Lord Jesus commands me to love them. To love them. Hey.
I understand you.
To love them. That's Jesus. Jesus is the inspiration in the UK. Not the silly Islamic Mickey Mouse Allah who is irrational, horrible, violent, and most of all wants all the ham from you. Don't follow him. Adonis, when you go back to Italy, leave Islam. Don't tell anyone.
I don't think so.
Don't tell anyone.
No.
I-
My parents wouldn't do anything to me, nor the people from my country.
Yeah. Not your parents, not them, but
In my community.
your Muhammad Jihad would do terrible things to you. Alibaba on camera has said multiple times, when there is Sharia, he will kill you. That's what he says.
If I would like to take
Hey, why? It's my dear.
If I
Please
would
don't
like to
disturb.
left
Look, I don't know
Islam-
how much money you've got from the mafia gang. Please stay away. Thank you. Thank you very much.
If I would
Please.
like to leave Islam,
Yeah.
I would leave and just go in another country. Don't say anything to no one. But I
Don't tell anyone. Just
I would
email me.
never leave Islam.
Don't. No. You need to leave. I know you won't say it in front of camera because you'll be afraid. But leave. Don't tell anyone. Email only me or a few Christians. If you know any Christians, please. Yeah, thank you. Now, thank you very much, Adonis. It was terrible to hear that you won't care when someone wants to kill me. It was terrible. This is life. Well, I'd like to comment to you that's terrible life. That's Islamic terrible life. Are you Muslim, sir? You are what? I'm neutral. Neutral.
Maybe tomorrow
Yeah,
I'm
thank you. Thank you. Adonis, leave Islam. Don't tell anyone. Thank you very much. Lovely. You haven't, enough of nonsense, but thank you very much.